Hello class, my name is Thompson. I'm a trainer at Rubavu Technical College TVET, and today we are going to complete the third part of our module, which is called cell phone hardware repair. And today's topic, we are going to see how to repair a cell phone motherboard. At the end of this session, each learner will be able to repair different parts of cell phone motherboard. As we are learning together, I invite you to take some note and do a practical exercise with me as we are learning together. Firstly, you may ask yourself, what is a cell phone motherboard? A cell phone motherboard is a printed circuit board which holds many periphery of a cell phone. Some of cell phone motherboard periphery, there is a microphone, as you can see at your screen, there is a speaker, there is a screen and touch screen, there is a vibrator, there is a front and back camera, there is earpiece, there is antenna, and finally, there is a charger system. And now we are going to identify cell phone common hardware fault of a motherboard, such as battery charging fault or problem, mobile phone battery problem, network not working problem, overheating problem, sound faults, earpiece, ringer and microphone problem, display problem, touchscreen problems, keypad problems, Wi-Fi problem and internet connectivity problem. What you have to do when you find that there's some problem in the motherboard of our cell phone, you remember what is called soldering and soldering of defected component of a mobile cell phone motherboard. And also, you remind what is called replacement of defected component according to the types. You may use those three tips such as replacement of defected component, rehot your cell phone, and finally, you have to do what is called jumping. By the use of a digital multimeter and your own eyes when you are testing, when you finish to rectify a cell phone problem, what you have to do next, which is assembling, is to fix together separated pieces in order to form one whole. Why disassembling is to separate or to break down one device into many pieces. As you can see, you have to do what is called testing after repairing. Cold testing method, as we already seen it, and the hot testing method. While you finish to repair a cell phone motherboard, what you have to do is to do what is called to arrange different tools, materials, and equipment used when you are repairing a cell phone. And after that, you have to do what is called to clean the workplace accordingly. After arranging different tools and materials, in arranging no-used materials such as consumable, you do what is called management of waste materials accordingly. You manage waste materials according to their type, and you treat them accordingly. Thank you for your attention. As we are learning together, I hope you took some note and you did a practical exercise with me as we were learning together. This is the end of our module, which is called cell phone hardware repair. See you next time. Enjoy.